This is how to insert title at the end of Opus clip. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course upload your video by link or by uploading it manually over here. And now just simply click on your project and you should be able to see here multiple clips. So just simply select the clips that you prefer and click on edit clip over here guys on the right side. So guys, from here, just simply click on this icon over here and just simply drag it into the end of the video. And now, in order for you to add text, you can just simply click on this and you can choose whether you want heading or body text. So I'm going to go for heading. And now from here, just simply provide what you are going to put. I'm going to go for subscribe. And now I'm going to put it at the top. And you can resize it over here as well by clicking on the circle block icon, and you can change the background color here on the right side, the font and the size, and you can make it underline or italic. And once you are done, just simply click on save changes. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.